Yeah. Hello, my gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful queen bees. It is your girl Amanda, the Bust Artist, and today we got another Arteza review. Once again, the company Arteza has sent me some really cool art products that they wanted me to try and review. I do want to stress that these products have been given to me for free in exchange for my super brutal, honest opinion. And if you've seen some of my previous videos from Arteza, I do give some pretty strong opinions about their products. Bummer. I am super excited to dive in and to try out another set of really cool art stuff. So this time, Arteza sent me outdoor acrylic paint. It's water-based, scuff-resistant, it self-seals, and it's good for indoor and outdoor use. And it comes complete with very exotic sounding paint names like Marshmallow White, Lizard Green, I don't even know what Zoff is, and Papaya Whip. Now that is creative. They also gave me this box of wood slices. There's about 45 in this box. These are natural pine wood that comes with bark. They're all pre-sanded, they're polished, they have a smooth surface, and apparently they're perfect for arts and crafts. Oh joy. I'm just gonna go ahead and actually pop this open. Ooh. This is really pretty. It's all pre-packaged very nicely. And they all come in with their own pre-drilled holes, and they got twine. Okay. All right, gotta calm down. Okay, so we got some twine here. We got some pieces of wood. Oh, these are so cute. Yep, and you can definitely tell that that's real bark. This is really nice. The bottoms are very, very smooth. There is a little bit of sand dust that's on this. It's gonna have to require just a little bit of like cleanup before we actually start painting so it doesn't mix in with the acrylics. It comes with the twine so you can hang these up and make really cool ornaments and decorations. Let's go take a look at what our acrylics look like. Ooh, okay. This is way different than how Arteza usually gives me their acrylic paints. Back when I was doing my other reviews, I kind of did it according to several list criteria like light permanence and organization, color opacity, and all that. So we're gonna do kind of the same thing with these guys here. Ooh, okay, so every single tube kind of looks like this. Is a squeeze top, and it has a little cap that just pops on open. So let's actually just get that open. Oh my god. Always have a tough time opening these things. All right, there we go. So it's got a pop top just like that. Oh wow, no, so it doesn't have the protective seal on it. Pretty much ready to be squeezed. All right, so let's just take a look at some of the labeling here and see what we're working with. We got a Marshmallow White A201, and that's all I see here. We got some nice colors here. Let's go see what we got. Very bright colors. So considering the fact that there aren't any labels on these paint tubes themselves, it's going to be hard for me to actually assess whether the labelings that are on the paint tubes actually match up. So I'm just going to go ahead and color swatch and just see the opacity and how these paints kind of interact on paper so I get an idea of what it is that I can do with them. Okay, y'all, these colors are incredibly pigmented, like wow. Taking a look, having done an opacity swatch test, I just wanted to see how well the colors will cover that black line, as well as how they spread, their texture, and what their colors really look like. When it comes to their color swatches, it's pretty much on point. These are clear bottles, so obviously whatever you see that's on the bottle itself is going to be the exact swatch that you see here. There are like two semi-metallic colors that are in this. There's gold and silver. A great opportunity, especially if you want to do something on rocks or something on like outdoor stuff that helps make it glisten and shine in the sun. I think that's really cool and really an awesome little addition here. Okay, so now that we've done our opacity test, done our color swatch test, it is now time to play with our little wooden slices and make a little piece of artwork out of it. So without further ado, let's get down to it. my gosh, my hands are so cramped. That was a really fun and interesting experiment using the Arteza outdoor paints and the wood slices. I had so much fun handling these two things. The wood slices are what you would expect any kind of wood slice to be. It's got a little bit, just the tiniest bit of texture on it, so I had to kind of go back and forth with a pen to make sure I got super crisp detail lines. I didn't gesso this at first, and only because I am using paint that is actually self-sealing. Figured I'm going to be doing multiple layers, so it's really not that big of a deal, and plus I just really wanted to get down and dirty with these paints and kind of see how they work. But if you're working with just regular acrylics and you're using wood, be sure to gesso that surface first and then you apply your paint so that the paint will not absorb right through. So when it comes to the tubes and the box organization, it's not that bad. Trying to get the plastic off the actual tubes themselves is kind of a big pain in the butt, but once you get past that part, it's really easy to just take a tube out, squeeze it right onto your palette, and then go ahead and paint away. And the consistency is very much like all the Arteza paints that I've done before, which is kind of like a runny toothpaste kind of texture. Really great for blending, really great for mixing. As for drying time, I didn't really have much of an issue, maybe because I'm working with wood. The drying time I found was not as quick as I had seen with other acrylic paints. For pigments, these colors are so super saturated. I absolutely love how they appear on the wood itself. I actually am planning on doing another video where I paint on rocks just to see how that looks with these paints, so stay tuned for that. All in all, these outdoor acrylic paints and these wood slices are primo. I give them a big thumbs up. It's a great way to extend my artistic reach and to try new things with new different mediums. Can't say no to that. So my queen bees, what did you think about this review? Have you tried outdoor acrylic paints by Arteza before? Have you tried wood slices before? Comment below, let me know. I'm always interested to hear from you, my darling, gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful queen bees. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give this a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more videos from me to you in the future. Alright everyone, well I'm gonna put my hand in ice because I really can't feel it anymore. Remember to love yourselves and always have fun with your art. See you all next time. Bye!